Hello out there, everyone. This is the world famous here, Mr. River Rat, the troubleshooter. But on the hands, we have a brand new DX44 HP. Brand new. Brand new. Okay, well, let's see what it does here. Well, first, this is 4 watts, 2 watts. Okay. We're on the 50 watt slug. This is going to be more different. Usually I always use the 10 watt, but this time now we're gonna use a 50. 50 is gonna be right here. 40, 20, 10. It's gonna be keying 2 watts on low and 4 watts on high. It's gonna modulate around carrier 10 or 12 watts average. These are not peak. These are average. Okay, here we go. Oh, we got 2 watts right there. Hola, hola, Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola, hola, 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 Coca-Cola, hola. About 10 or 12. Okay, now we're going to raise it up here to 4 watts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello. Hola, hola, Coca-Cola. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello. About 10, 12 watts average on this DX44 brand new. Okay. What is it? DX44. Brand new. Okay, thank you very much. 73. I'm gone. Ball.